Hello, good morning students. Today's thought biology always beats willpower. And topic we discuss about the evolution's example natural selection. Okay, we are explaining to you one example which is the natural selection. Okay, so in this natural selection we discuss the 12 red beetles story or its two situation we already explained to you. Now today we discuss about the third situation. Okay, so as the population of the beetle increases, okay, day by day population of the beetle increases. This types of beetle, green beetles population increase day by day, but red beetles or blue beetles population decreases day by day. Okay, suddenly bushes suffer from a disease. That time when the population of green beetles increases day by day, suddenly that time bushes suffer from a disease and the availability of the food for the beetle decreases. Okay, now this time source of food is decreases. Due to the source of the food is decreases, the size of the beetle or population of the beetle become decreases. But after a few years or days, as a plant disease is eliminated, means after कुछ दिन बाद जब plant disease फिर से गायब हुई, then the available of more food, the beetle they come back in normal size. Okay, so this type of change is not inherited, from one generation to another generation. Okay, so natural selection example is finished. Now we discuss the next topic, which is acquired trait. Acquired trait means those traits which develop during the lifetime. Okay, the new character which is developed during the lifetime. Okay, so we observe here when we explain to the example of the natural selection, that time we observe here in size of the red beetle, in the population decrease due to the scarcity of the food. We observe here size of the beetle in the population decrease due to the scarcity of the food. So this is the acquired trait. Okay, acquired trait means those traits which are not inherited, means one generation to those traits which do not transfer from one generation to another generation. Okay, as they cause due to the change of the non-hormonal reproductive, means not changes occur in the DNA. Okay, so that changes is called the acquired trait. Okay, next is the inherited trait. Inherited trait means those traits which transfer from parent to their offspring. Those traits which transfer from generation to another generation, one generation to another generation, by changing in the DNA of germ. By changing in DNA of germ cell, this type of inherited is called the inherited trait. Okay, for example, you observe here in the population of the red beetle, you observe formation of green beetle in the population of red beetle. Suddenly a green beetle is formed in the population of the red beetle, or green beetle character transfer from generation to generation. So the population of the green beetle increase day by day. Okay, so this is the inherited trait. Clear here?